The barrier potential of a PN junction depends on the type of semiconductor material, amount of doping, and temperature. And the following four options we need to find which is the right answer. Okay, let me draw the PN junction and we understand the barrier potential here first. So this is the PN junction. Okay, in this we know that, okay, here the P-type semiconductor and here the N-type semiconductor. In the P-type semiconductor, the number of holes are more comparing to the electrons. Okay, this is the holes and this is the electron. Okay, it is very less in the P junction and holes are more in the P junction. And in the N junction, the number of electrons are more here and the number of holes are less. Okay, then what happens here, since it will be when due to the diffusion, that means it will be moved from one place to another place due to the diffusion. What happens? The high concentration to the low concentration. That means the charges, it will move from one place to another place. Then in this particular region, it will be acts like a border, like India-Pakistan border, it will be acts like that. Okay. Then the positive charges will be acting here, means on one of the side, and the negative charges will be acting here. This is the negative charge and this is the positive charge, that the holes and the electrons will be deposited in this way. Okay, and it will be full, means that then in this area it will be fully neutral in conditions. Then this is the condition, and this is dependent upon the entire the process is dependent upon the doping. Yes, amount of doping, it is definitely it should be happened. And the type of semiconductor material, yes, P-type, N-type or PN type, it is very, very important. And the temperature, yes, the temperature is also, it will be an actuate here. That means as the temperature is more, then electrons and holes will also, it will be more activated here. So the temperature is also very, very important. So all these 3 points are correct. Then we can choose option D. A, B, C. A, B and C, it is correct. Option D is the right answer here.